If you have fish at home, you can make this delicious fish snack. Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious baked fish roll using my leftover fish sauce, which I got from my previous fried fish roll recipe. Yes, I'll leave the link in my description box below. Do check it out. From there, you'll find out how I made the fish sauce. Thank you. I'll start by adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour in a dry mixing bowl, and then I'll go ahead and add it 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can add more if you want. 1 tablespoon of powdered milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'll mix. After mixing the dry ingredients together, I then added 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Use butter if you have butter. I don't have butter. I have to use this vegetable oil. Next, I'll start adding water little by little and mix it to get a dough. I'll continue to add water little by little until I get the consistency I want or the texture I want. And I used about half cup and 1 tablespoon of. In the dough, I will allow it to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before I now add my fish sauce to it. Next, I'll spread some flour on my mixing board or my work board, roll it out, and add the fish sauce to it. Here is my leftover fish sauce, which I brought out from my freezer for some hours ago, and they allow it to defrost. You can And here we have our delicious baked fish roll. I baked this for about 30 to 35 minutes. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.